Most people see a front yard as a patch of grass. A senior designer sees it as a luminous portal. Today, we are performing material alchemy on the most overlooked parts of our property. We are revealing the structural logic behind front entrance flower beds and the high-efficiency science of vertical gardening. We've taken the humble Dollar Tree Stackable Planter and turned it into an architectural anchor, and we're reclaiming forgotten corners with the ancient beauty of Stumpery design. If you're ready to engineer a first impression that breathes with sustainable luxury, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Entrance Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. On Tuesday, we looked at the illusion of space, but today, we are getting into the geometric skeleton of your home's first impression. In 2026, curb appeal isn't just about neatness. It's about atmospheric curation that begins at the sidewalk. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a compact balcony, we are engineering infinite volume using raised bed layouts and container logic. Let's step into the alchemy. Structural logic, the entrance revelation and vertical alchemy. 1. The philosophy of the luminous portal. In the world of Beki Decor, your front garden is more than just curb appeal. It's the atmospheric curation of your property's soul. A front entrance without a plan is just a path. An entrance with structural logic is a breathtaking revelation. Most people overlook the front of their house, seeing it as public space. But in 2026, we reclaim that space. Creating a flower bed in front of your house isn't just about adding color. It's about defining the geometric skeleton of your home's personality. A thoughtfully designed entrance adds charm and a sense of tactile integrity that welcomes visitors before you even open the door. We are engineering a warm invitation, a transition from the chaotic street to the private sanctuary. Two. Vertical alchemy, the Dollar Tree Stackable reveal. Let's talk about infinite volume in small spaces. I love finding affordable ways to improve the garden, and Dollar Tree Stackable Planters have really surprised me with their structural logic. Most people see them as simple plastic. A senior designer sees them as a modular column of vertical artistry. By stacking these planters, we are performing material alchemy. We are creating a vertical pillar of life that takes up only 1 square foot of floor space but provides 5 layers of growing room. This is the ultimate small garden idea you can copy today. We aren't just planting, we are engineering a tower of vitality. Whether it's strawberries, herbs, or cascading flowers, these stackable units allow you to grow different species in a compact layout, ensuring fresh beauty is always at eye level. Three. The logic of the front entrance flower bed. When we look at the geometric skeleton of the front yard, the flower bed is the architectural anchor. There are days you look at your front yard and feel something is missing. That missing piece is often structural separation. A front entrance flower bed adds sophistication. Whether you want a formal, symmetrical look, or an informal, cottage-style vibe, the logic remains the same. You must layer your heights. We place these structural anchors, the taller shrubs, near the foundation and cascade down to smaller, colorful blooms at the edge. This creates dimensional integrity. It makes your home feel grounded and intentional. It's amazing how a few well-chosen plants can create a luminous portal that transforms the entire vibe of your property. Four, reclaiming the corner, the Stumpery Revelation. We all have them. Those forgotten, shady corners where nothing seems to grow. In 2026, we don't ignore these spots. We perform the Stumpery Revelation. A stumpery garden uses tree stumps, roots, and logs to create a unique, natural space in any yard. This is material alchemy at its most raw. We are taking debris and turning it into an architectural feature. The structural logic here is to mimic a woodland floor. These forgotten corners become eye-catching focal points, perfect for ferns and shade-loving plants. It adds a layer of woodland mystery and provides a habitat for local wildlife. It's about finding the beauty in the imperfect and giving it a place of honor in your front garden design. Five, raised bed dynamics. Compact layouts. For those of us focusing on vegetables for container gardening, raised garden beds are the ultimate game changer. They offer better soil control, improved drainage, and easier access. But the real magic is in the layout logic. A raised garden bed allows you to grow a gourmet bounty in a very compact space. By engineering the layout, placing taller veggies like tomatoes in the center and low-growing greens like spinach at the edges, you maximize every inch of sustainable luxury. It makes gardening accessible and organized. You are no longer just growing food. You are curating a productive sanctuary that feeds both the body and the eye. Six, engineering the final impression. At the end of this journey, from the sidewalk to the front door, we've learned that a front garden is the narrative of your home. By using corner flower bed ideas to spruce up unused spaces and creative garden ideas like stumperies, you are ensuring your entire property has luminous integrity. You've taken budget, stackable planters and engineered them into high-definition art. You've taken a flat lawn and given it structural logic. Luxury is the intentionality you bring to your entrance. You've mastered the entrance revelation, and in doing so, you've discovered that even the smallest front yard can hold infinite volume when you design with a heart for mindful creation. Thank you for joining me in this entrance revelation. My prayer for you today is that you stop seeing your front yard as extra work and start seeing it as a luminous portal to your peace. Whether you are stacking your first set of planters or digging a new flower bed by the door, remember that structural logic is the key to your curb appeal. If you've copied one of our small garden ideas or transformed a corner with a stumpery this week, tell me about it in the comments. I love seeing your front garden revelations. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our journey, and I'll see you this Sunday for the grand reveal, where we show how these front yard structures tie into our overall sustainable luxury lifestyle. Stay grounded, stay creative, and keep engineering your entrance. Remember, your home is a living reflection of your first impression. Don't be afraid to add color, to define your own lines, and to build an inspired entrance that breathes with you. Use your hands, honor the soil, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.